Solid Starts app. So quite a popular app that you can use. Baby First Foods, as you can see in the top charts. App of the day, best apps for parents, trusted by 5 million plus around the world. Solid Stars provide you everything you need to know about introducing solid foods to babies with baby-led weaning, BLW, transitioning from spoon feeding to purees to finger foods. Built by a team of board certified pediatricians, instant feeding therapists, swallowing specialists, allergists, and dietitian to guide you with your child's food journey. Number one trusted baby food database in the world. Everything you need to start baby-led weaning. Personalized for your baby's unique journey. A pediatric pro in your pocket. Baby food tracker. Meals and recipes. So it's really the only app one needs to have for a baby. Every new parent needs this app. Have their idea how to start solids. The content provided by Solid Stars gave me the confidence to start solids. The baby was ready after 6 months. So this is just what you have. And then you can just open it up. So quite niche app, but super powerful. And then you can just so here is you can see the plans, $100 per year or monthly $20 per month. And then there is a quick tour in here, food search, meals tracker, and that's just the idea. So you see foods. Some foods are not safe until your baby certain age. So for example, you see here, you can tap on each food and then just see how to serve. You can see from which age to serve it. Add to your tracker, log food, introduction, choking, allergens. Then there are guides. Then there are meals, which you can see in here. And then there is search. You can search for, and that's basically then you see food of the day, asparagus. And then you can see age, introduction, how to serve, choking, allergens, FAQ, tips. So this is the app which you can try. And then that's just the idea how it works. And then you can also share personal leave. So there is some referral code as well. So here is referral code for this app which you can use. And maybe you will get some nice referral in here. But yeah, that's the app, quite niche, but you can use it in these cases.